Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the latest Dress to Impress custom makeup feature. So basically, if you go to custom makeup, there's a new thing called eye shade opacity. So for instance, I put on this eye. Let's do this one. So if I select this arrow, it says shading opacity. So you are able to change the opacity of the shading for the eye. And I think it's really good if you want like a kind of more contoured eye or not. And it's also very good if you create a character in a different skin color, for instance, as well. You are able to change the shade opacity on your eyelids. Now, I'm not sure if it works for all of the... Okay, it does work for all of the eyelids. I am going to assume that. Let's go to the older ones. Okay, maybe like not the like older ones, but some of them do have... Okay, like not this one. Let me see where it starts actually. Nope. Okay, why isn't it like showing anymore? Okay, I don't know why it's not showing anymore, but you are going to... Oh, there we go. It does show up on a few eyes, but not all of it. And now my eye's bugged. Yay! Did I just discover a new bug? I don't know. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!